standard time, time taken, you will get time saved. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 4, unit 4 of topic called cost accounting, and the unit we are doing, that is labor. Now, in the previous session, we worked out few problems on labor. In that, we learned how to find out your standard time. In today's session also, we'll go with the same thing and we'll work out all the question paper problems for your examination. Now, the agenda is very simple. We'll go with concept and also we go with problems. And problem number 4. From the following, calculate total wages earned under wholesale plan as well as row 1 plan. Now, basic wage rate per hour. So, what is the per hour wage rate is 12. Unit produced 2400. Time allowed for 100 units 2 hours 30 minutes. Time taken is 50 hours. Now, you check this. Have they given anywhere what is the standard time? No. We are supposed to find out standard time. After finding standard time, we are supposed to find out even time saved also. Now, in this, as per the formula, what are the things we needed? Like standard time minus time taken, you will get time saved. At the end, hourly rate. These are the information we require to calculate any problem. Now, standard time will come later. Time taken. Time taken, yes, they have given directly. 50 hours is the time taken. We are not doing ABC or XYZ. We are doing only for one worker. Now, time taken is given like 50 hours. So, what is the rate per hour? Basic wage rate is 12 rupees per hour. Now, your wage rate is 12 rupees. So, up to this we completed. Now, we are supposed to find out what is the standard time and what is the time taken. Now, the standard time is very simple. They have given 2400. As I told you, this will be base. Whatever given in the particular column, always we consider as base. Now, 2400 multiplied with 2.2 hours 30 minutes. We can take it as 2.5, half. Now, 2.5 whole divided by 100. If you do this calculation, you will get your standard time. Now, if you calculate this, now I'll take calculator. With the help of calculator, your answer will be 2400 multiplied with 2.5 whole divided by 100. I got 60 hours. Now, your standard time is how much? 60. 60 minus 50, you got 10. What is your time saved? 10. What is the answer here? This is 60. Hope you are clear. Yes, like this we are supposed to calculate. Now, already we have the answers here. Now, in this, time taken is given already. It is 50 hours. Now, do all the calculation. 2400 into 2.5 divided by 100. You will get 60 hours. Now, so don't go with this calculation. Up to this is sufficient. Now, time taken 50 hours, hourly rate 12, time saved 10 hours. See, already we calculated what is the time saved? 10 hours. Then, hourly rate is 12. Along with that, your 600 plus half of the 120, it will be 600 plus 60. Your final answer is 660. Hope you are clear. Good. This is all about your wholesale plan. If you go same with, even though they have not asked row 1 plan, we have done here. Now, time taken is 50, hourly rate is 12, time saved 10, standard time 60, time taken multiplied with hourly rate, If you do all this calculation, you will get your final answer of rupees 700. Now, these are the working notes. So this is already done. So no need to work out this working note because already done here. Hope you are clear. So 60 minus 50, 10 will be time saved. This is standard time. This is time taken. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is all about your Halsey as well as row 1. So I'll go out of the screen. Please take screenshot of your problem number 4. Problem number 4. Your solution part as per Halsey plan. Your solution part as per row 1 plan. Yes. So now we'll go for the problem number 5 and second problem of today's session. Now, actual time taken 12 hours, 24 and 36. There are 3 workers are there. First one is Raju, Ram as well as Mohan. Now, as per this, actual output in units 300, 300 and 300. Hourly rate of wages is 10 and standard output per hour is 10. These are the informations they have given. What we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out standard time as well as time saved. Now, we'll write down one by one. Standard time, time taken, you will get time saved. And finally, hourly rate, you are supposed to find out. There is a procedure. Now, hourly rate it is given. How much it is? So, for Raju and for Ram and for Mohan. So, hourly rate for Raju is 12 rupee, for Ram is 24 and for Mohan it is 36. So, these are the informations they have given in the question paper. Now, what is the standard time? What is the time saved? What is the time taken? Time taken must be given. Actual output in units. They have given output. Time taken we are supposed to find out here. Hourly rate is given. Standard output per hour. Per hour standard output is 10. Now, see here they have given Raju 12 hours, 24 hours and 36 hours. Actual time taken. Now, hourly rate is what? 10 rupee. This is also done. Standard time, standard output per hour is 10 units. Standard time for 10 units is 1 hour. In 1 hour, you can produce up to 10 units. Now, how to find out this? See, 1 hour multiplied with 3000 units. 1 hour multiplied, it is not 3000, it is 300. So 1 divided by 10 into 300, you will get 30 hours. Hope you are clear. How much you got? You got 30. It is not 3000, read it as 300. Now, in this, your time taken is 12, hourly rate is 10, time saved, I'll come back, hourly rate is 10. So how come you will get your time saved? I'll show you. So time saved, you got standard time of 30 hours. See your calculation. What is the standard time? 30 hours. I'll go back. Your standard time is 30 hours, 30 hours, 30 hours. What is the time taken by Raju? By Raju it is 12 hours. 30 by 12 time saved is 18. Similarly, your 30 minus 24 time saved is 6 for Ram. Similarly for Mohan, 30 minus 36 time saved is 0. Why it is 0 means actual time allotted is 30. But work completed when? 36 hours. He has taken 6 hours extra more. That's why the time saved for Mohan will be considered as 0. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, so total calculation, time saved 18, 6 as well as 0. 36. Now we'll go for the calculation. So as per this, time taken is 12, hourly rate is 10, time saved 18, hourly rate is 10. 120 calculate. If you calculate, this will be, your final answer will be 210. Similarly, if you calculate, you will get 270. Similarly, if you calculate for the last person, it will be 360. Remember in this, that time saved, we have taken 0 for last person. Why? Because standard time is 30 hours, but he completed in 36 hours. He has taken 6 hours more. So there is no time saved. Now, similarly, the same thing, actual time taken is more than the standard time. So Mohan is paid guaranteed time wages, which is assured under wholesale. And see, there is a clarification why we have taken 0 as time saved. Why? Because he has taken more than whatever time given. Now, see, the 30 minus 12, first person, 30 minus 25, second person, and the third person will be 0. Hope you are clear. As these are the working note. Now, similarly, we'll go for row 1 plan. Similar, same calculation, time taken into hourly rate plus time saved divided by standard time, time taken into hourly rate. Now, calculate, you will get 192 as your answer. Similarly, for second person, 24 into 10, 24 into 10, 6 by 30, simplify, you will get 288. Similarly, for Mohan, if you do simplification, you will get 360 per answer. You know how to calculate, only the thing is the working note. How do you find out the time saved, the standard time and time taken? That is a major thing. The rest of the things, if you know the formula, you can do any number of problems. So same, time taken by worker Mohan, same, there is a clarification why we have taken 0 as time saved for this calculation. So for the same problem, if they ask you how to find out the time, the wages per hour. So whatever we calculated, I'll go one by one. Problem 5, there is a solution for wholesale plan. Now see, there are 2 persons are there. Whatever 210 and 270 we got, this is all about the total wages of that particular person. In the question, if they asked what is the wages per hour, how to calculate? Already I have done this, I'll show you again. Simple calculation, you got 210 divided by how many hours he worked? 12 hours. Divided by 12 hours. What is the hourly rate? I'll calculate 210 divided by 12. 210 divided by, I got 17.5. 17.5 wages per hour. Wages per hour. Hope you are clear. Yes. Similarly, you have 270. 270 divided by, what is the number of hours here? The number of hours he used, 24 hours. Divided by 24, you will get 270 divided by 24. 11.25. He will get 11.25 per hour wages. Similarly, the last person, 360 divided by 36, he will get 10 rupees per hour. See, he has taken more time. Actual time is 30 hours, but it took how many hours? 36. Because of that, per hour, he will get only 10 rupees. This person will get 11 rupee 25 paise and first person will get 17.5 paise. If you complete your work as soon as possible, your price or your wages will be more per hour. Now, wholesale plan is done. Now these are the working note and we'll see the row 1 plan. As per row 1 plan, 192. 192 divided by time taken, 12. 192 divided by 12, how much? 192 divided by 12. 16 rupee. Whatever I am doing, it is extra thing. It is not asked in the question. Still, I am finding out per hour how much they are getting. Now, so per hour. Clear? Similarly, second person, 288 divided by 24 hours. So, how much he will get? 288 divided by 24. Hardly will get 20 rupees. We'll check. Not 20. 10, 11 rupees something. 288 divided by 24. I got 12 rupees. Yes. Similarly, last person, it is easy. 360 divided by 36. He will get 10 rupees per hour. Per hour. Per hour. These are the calculation we have done for wholesale as well as row 1, and they have given few working. These are the working notes. Clear? Wherever I mentioned working note, that is not part of your answer, only for calculation purpose. I'll go back to all the slides. You can take second problem screenshots. Problem number 5, your question. Your solution for wholesale plan. Solution for wholesale. Solution. These are the working note. Your solution part. Your solution part. Working note. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is wholesale and what is row 1. And if number of units are not given for your standard price or standard hours, how to calculate, everything we learned in today's session. Please work out this problem because whatever we worked out, all are your question paper problems. And we'll have one more session on your labor topic. So we'll work out your piece rate and hourly rate also in the next session. And we'll wind up this unit in the next session. Thank you.